Hello fans, I am Dej BK. You're watching International Leaks. After dismantling Hamas in some parts of Gaza, Israeli forces now ready to conquer Rafah, southern part of Gaza Strip. Population is approximately 1.5 million. And words, mainstream media extensively covering the news since Israel announced attack on Rafah city, where Hamas leaders and senior commanders terrorists are hiding, along with 133 Israeli hostages in their captivity as well. So here you can see some news articles from the mainstream media. Israel says moving ahead with Rafah attack. IDF ready to conquer Gaza's Rafah. Israel says it is poised to move on Rafah. So today we will discuss what are IDF and Israeli intelligence, Mossad and Shin Bet plans to end Hamas from Rafah and Palestinians evacuations plans and what Israel is going to do in Rafah. Let's get begin. After destroying Gaza, dismantling Hamas terrorists from Gaza, now Israel Defense Forces, IDF, Mossad and Shin Bet has conducted all the important preparations to attack Rafah, to destroy, finish Hamas. Because Israel still believes Hamas top leaders and 133 hostages are hiding in Rafah, and Rafah is the major whereabouts of Hamas terrorists, and Israel is poised to evacuate Palestinian citizens from there and attack Hamas holdouts. Meanwhile, multiple Israeli reports say the top Israeli security officials visited Egypt to coordinate the planned offensive in Rafah. The IDF Chief of Staff Herzi Halevi and Shin Bet had met Egyptian intelligence chief Abbas Kamel and Chief of Staff Osama Aksar to convince them before the Rafah offensive, because Egypt was against IDF strikes in Rafah, Gaza. As you know, tens of thousands of Palestinians in Gaza are hungry, no food, no water, no electricity. It's completely humanitarian catastrophe, and Egypt warned Israel against pushing in the Rafah city and said it would lead massive human massacres, losses and widespread destruction. And Israel says it's impossible without taking Rafah, crushing the Palestinian terrorist group Hamas and recovering hostages. The IDF said that it was readying to deploy 2 reserve brigades for mission in the Gaza Strip as part of its plan to remove from Rafah. The 679th Yiska Armored Brigade and 2nd Carmeli Infantry Brigade, which had been operating on the northern border, were set to take responsibility for areas of central Gaza that have remained under Israeli military control since troops largely pulled back from other areas of the Strip. The move will free up Nahal Brigade troops currently holding the central corridor to join the rest of 162nd Division in preparing future operations, including planned offensives in Rafah and central Gaza. Now, let's come to the Hamas. According to Israeli officials, Hamas has 6 remaining battalions in Gaza Strip, including 4 in the southern city of Rafah, Yamna South, Shabura North, Tel Sultan West and East Rafah. 2 more Hamas battalions remain in central Gaza in the Nusrat and Deir al-Balah camps. The IDF has so far operated across Gaza and Gaza City, in some parts of central Gaza and in southern Gaza's Khan Yunis, and has dismantled the 18 battalions there. The fighting has pushed millions displaced Gazan civilians into Rafah, with the international community, including US, warned Israel against Rafah offensive that could significantly worsen an already dire humanitarian crisis. However, Israel is ready to move on Rafah, aimed at end Hamas and freeing the 133 hostages that are believed to still be held in the Rafah. Israel say Hamas was hit hard in northern sector, it was hit hard in the center of the strip, and soon it will be hit hard in the Rafah too. Hamas should know that when the IDF goes into Rafah, it would be best to raise its hands in surrender. Rafah will not be the Rafah today. There will not be munitions civilians there and there will not be hostages there, IDF warned Hamas. Now, come to the Israel's plans for Palestinian citizens before Rafah offensive. Israel has procured tens of thousands of tents for Palestinian civilians in intents to evacuate from Rafah in coming weeks. Israeli Defense Ministry has bought 40,000 tents each with the capacity for 10 to 12 people for Palestinians relocated from Rafah. Israel believes Hamas leaders and many operatives are hiding in Rafah, and also that many of the remaining 129 hostages kidnapped in the Hamas-led October 7 atrocities are being held in the Rafah city. So friends, this is the end of this video. See you in next video. Thanks for watching.